What the? What? Hello. What the? How did you get into my house? Look, Mr. Bill. Us from the Weird Noises Investigation Services have our ways. Now, I would like to... No, but seriously, I literally, you ding-donged on the bell, and then I got out of bed, and somehow you're in my house. I didn't even open the door. Look here, Mr. Bill. Wait, your first and last name is Bill? Yeah, I know, it's... My parents were Asian, I don't know, it's... So did you need something? Right, well, you see, Mr. Bill, we've been getting some minor complaints about... Oh, is this what this is about? Is Mikey going and licking the neighbor's kneecaps again? Listen, it's okay, we came to an understanding. Listen, the couple that he's licking, they're an old couple. Like, I mean, they're blind as a bat. In fact, they think Mikey is their dog that they used to have. The dog has been dead, though, for 5 years. And they just think that the dog is licking them, though, even though it's Mikey. Listen, I've tried to talk to him a few times. He just keeps going. We'll get it figured out. Listen, sir. No, that is not at all what it is about. Although... Maybe you should get your kid looked at. But no, what this is about is we've actually been getting some complaints about your car. Oh. What about my car? Well, sir, you see, it says here from one of the people who was complaining about this, our neighbor's car sounds like a beef taco with extra salsa in the Atlantic Ocean. So, sir, you're gonna have to get that looked at. Otherwise, we will have to do something about it. What the frick? I literally got my car looked at yesterday. The mechanic said there was nothing wrong. Well, sir, even so, this complaint came in today at 2 a.m. in the morning. So, I'm sorry, but you'll have to get your car looked at. Otherwise, again, we will do something about it. All right. I'll get it looked at, okay? Can you get out of my house now? I live here, remember? Remember? I moved in last week. What? No, you don't. I'm pretty sure I would have noticed. I live in your house, Mikey. What the heck? No, my name is Bill. My name is not Mikey. Wake up, Mikey. You're dreaming. Wake up. Wake up, Mikey. Hello, sir. Your order for 50 beef tacos with extra salsa is here. We had a few complications, so we ended up having to ship it all the way across the Atlantic Ocean. But anyways, here it is. And please just sign here. Thank you.